Good morning, student. In today's lecture, we are going to start with a subtopic that is type study that is starfish. Okay, under the phylum Echinodermata. The starfish is a marine, spiny-skinned, radially symmetrical animal. Okay, and it is classified under the phylum Echinodermata. Okay, and it is a star-shaped and hence it is called also in and due to its star shaped appearance it is classified under the class St. Royal. Okay, so we'll see a systematic position that is uh, starfish, that is we are particularly doing the Astrias rubens, is classified under the kingdom Animalia, phylum Echinodermata, superclass Astrozoa, class Asteroideae. Okay, and this classification is carried out by the Blainville in 1830. Okay, and order Fossipulata. You just for the this theory part you need to know systematic position. Okay, it can be asked for one question. Okay, and under the and due to the starfish star-like appearance, the most of the organism are classified the body shape the organism having a star-like appearance or 5 arms. Okay, having a central disc and all will be classified into the class Asteroideae. Okay, starfish is a marine animal and it lives at the bottom of the sea. Okay, hence they are bottom dwellers, pelagic one. So it is a crawling animal and it has a cosmopolitan in distribution, that is they are distributed throughout the world, found in all the oceans. Okay, and they are carnivorous animal, that they are feed on other animals, the small micro fishes and all. Okay, debris. Okay, this Astrias has a star-shaped body and it consists of a central disc and 5 arms. The lower surface of the body is termed as a oral surface and it is a flat one. Okay, whereas the upper surface is termed as a arboreal surface and it is a convex one. Okay, so oral surface is the down surface which will be facing to the land, okay, or bottom of the sea, and it is a flat, whereas the upper surface which is termed as a arboreal surface will be having a convex line. Okay, the 5 arms represents the radii. This the 5 arms will be representing as a radii, and the region of the central disc between the 5 arms is termed as a interradii. Okay, interradius, not radii, radius. Okay, so this picture is about the first one figure is about the oral view. Now we are going to see about the what are the morphological characters which are seen at the arboreal surface. Okay, arboreal surface is the upper surface and it is in a convex form. Okay, convex type असता. Convex mirror खबर आसा न्हू, bulging out. Okay, so the convex सारखो आसा and it is covered with a stout and blunt immovable calcareous spine. So the whole body will be covered with the spines, and these spines are supported on an irregular shaped calcareous plate or ossicles which forms the integument of the starfish. Okay, so the upper surface, that is termed as a arboreal surface, which is a convex form, will be bearing a spines, and these spines are irregularly placed or buried in the integument. Integument कसलो आसा? It is a calcareous plate and or ossicles. Okay, and in between the ossicles there are number of minute dermal pores will be there. Okay, In this picture you can see the skin of the arboreal view. The skin of the arboreal side will be having a spine which will be embedded or buried in the integument. An integument is form of the dermal pores or the ossicles. Okay, and in between this ossicles there will be having a number of dermal pores. Okay, and from each dermal pore there will be projecting a small soft contractile process called as a dermal branchiae of papilla. So dermal पोरांसून एक आउटग्रोथ फॉर्म जाता दॅट इज अ सॉफ्ट स्मॉल आनी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टायल तेका कितें म्हणटा डर्मल ब्रँकियाय or papilla म्हणटा. Okay, and their function is to carry out the respiration. Okay, they act as a respiratory in function. Okay, this dermal branchiae or papilla, and in between the spines there are also a microscopic pincer called a pincer like body called as a pedicellariae. Okay, you can see in the picture na स्पायन्साच्या मदीं पेडिसिलेरिया आसा मागीर इवन पॅप्युलम. ओके, स्किना डर्मल पोरांच्या मदीं पॅप्युला फॉर्म जाता ऑर इट इज ऑल्सो टर्म्ड एज अ डर्मल ब्रँकियाय which brings about the respiration in the which act as a respiratory organ. Okay, then the arboreal surface will also bears the anus. Okay, and this anus is situated near the center of the disc. Okay, and this disc will be flat, circular, and center of a disc and there will also a flat circular seam like plate called as a madreporoid will be present. Okay, and this madreporoid placed between the base of the two arms. Okay, and these two arms between which the madreporoid light is known as bivium, that is bivium, bivium. ओके, सो ही madreporoid खंयचो प्लेस आसतली दोन आर्म्साच्या मदीं त्या दोन आर्म्साक कितें म्हणटा बिवियम म्हणटा BIVIUM. आनी पांचांतले दोन गेले जाल्यार 3 आर्म्स उरता न्हू. सो रेस्ट ऑफ द 3 आर्म्स are termed as a trivium. Okay, TRIVIUM. थंयसर तो madreporoid गांवा ना पळय प्लेस ना पळय madreporoid सदां 2 आर्म्साच्या मदीं प्लेस आसतलो. ओके, आनी 2 आर्म्साक कितें म्हणटा थंयसर madreporoid प्लेस आसा दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ बिवियम आनी रेस्ट ऑफ द 3 आर्म्स इज टर्म्ड एज अ trivium. Okay, this is about the arboreal surface. Now we will see about the oral surface of starfish. The lower surface of the body is termed as a oral surface. It is a flat, okay, and it will be having a center of the center in which there is a 5-rayed or the pentagonal aperture called as a mouth will be present. Okay, and this mouth is surrounded by a soft membrane termed as a peristomium. Okay, and there will be 5 narrow ambulacral grooves arises from the 5 corners of the mouth, and this and from this there will be running, and this ambulacral grooves will be formed at the 5 corners of the mouth, and it will run along the middle of each arm up to its teeth. Okay, and this called as the ambulacral grooves, and these 2 or 3 rows of movable calcareous spines are present on either side of this grooves, and these are termed as a ambulacral spine. Okay, ते 2 जे मूव जाता पळय माउथाचे सराउंड करून ambulacral grooves तेचर ambulacral spines आसता एका सायडान. Okay, and at each angle of the mouth these spines become larger and group together to form a mouth papilla. And each ambulacral grooves will contain 4 rows of thin walled tubular structure called as a tube feet. Okay, along with the ambulacral spine they will be having a tube feet, and this tube feet very important because they serve as an organ of locomotion. And at the end of each ambulacral grooves there is a small red spot, their eye, and above the eye there is a small terminal tentacles. So organ of locomotion tube feet असा oral surface plus it at the end of the ambulacral groove कितें आसा, they will be having a small red spot. मागीर इथे eye आसतलो, the eye, and the eye there is a, at the end of the eye there is the terminal tentacles. So these are the different parts of the oral surface. So once again we will just revise. The oral starfish bears a oral and aboral surface. The oral surface is termed as the oral surface is a bottom surface, or the surface which is in the contact with the bottom of the sea, and it is a flat. It will be having a mouth, and mouth will be surrounded by a peristomium. Sorry, was like mouth will be surrounded by a peristomium, and there will also from the mouth, surrounding mouth, there will be 5 narrow ambulacral grooves arises, and it will be ambulacral grooves will be having ambulacral spines, and this groups ambulacral spines together forms a group termed as a mouth papilla forms जाता. Okay, and along with the ambulacral spines, ambulacral grooves will be also having a tube feet. This tube feet will be very important as they bring about the locomotion of the organ. Okay, and at the tip of the ambulacral groove there will be a small red spot, the eye, and above the eye there will be having a terminal tentacles. So this is about the oral surface. Now we are going to see a aboral surface. A boral surface forms the upper surface of the organism, and it is a convex in shape. Then it will be having the spines. The aboral surface will be forming is formed of a will covered with the spines, and in between the spines are embedded or buried in an integument which is formed of a plate or the ossicles, and in between the ossicles there are number of minute pores termed as the dermal pores, and from the dermal pore there has been projected a small soft and contractile process termed as a dermal branchiae or papilla, and this organ will act as a respiratory in function, this dermal branchiae or papilla. Okay, and in between the spines there are also a pincer like structure or bodies called as a pedicellariae, and there is also a circular sieve like plate which is formed at the aboral surface at the center of the disc, that is called as a madreporoid, and this madreporoid is placed between the two arms, and these two arms is termed as a bivium, whereas the rest of 3 arms are termed as a trivium. Okay, so this is about the aboral surface in the starfish. Students, if you have any question regarding this topic then please let me know, and there will be IC in the first week of your May. Okay, the written IC, the syllabus for the same I have already messaged you in the group. If there is any question or you require any notes then please let me know. Don't wait for the last minute as I will not help you at that time. If you need any notes or help then please let me know by tomorrow. Okay, you can message me. Thank you.